Well, hello there guys. Welcome here to Character Elimination. Last time Alice got eliminated. We did a challenge of cooking club.
And Dimentio is the one who made the most spiciest cookies ever, so the life wishers are up for elimination. Let's go to the elimination tent.
Oh hi there contestants. I'm Kimberly the Yellow Designurgle 1997, and I will be your prize handler. First, let's start with the prize votes. Pingu, Pinga, South Korea, Japan, YouTube, Luigi, Mario, Greece, USA, Dimentio, Dark Dimentio, Facebook, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, France, and Pakistan got no votes. China and Germany had 1 vote. Robbie had 2 votes. And Serbia with 4 votes, wins the prize. And your prize is a picture frame of you and your girlfriend kissing to stick it on your wall.
Wow. I'm so surprised. Greece. Look. I have a picture of you and me kissing so I can see it on the wall. Thanks.
You are welcome Serbia. And you'll get immunity when the life wishes are up for elimination.
Good job Serbsi. You did a good job of getting the most prize votes.
Anyways, let's get into the prize votes. I've got 19 guitars. If you don't get a guitar, then you are eliminated. Serbia, Greece, and Pingu got immunity. Pinga, Robbie, South Korea, Japan, and China are safe with 1 vote. USA, Germany, and France are safe with 4 votes. Luigi, Mario, Dimentio, and Facebook are safe with 9 votes. Princess Daisy is safe with 17 votes. Princess Peach is the last one safe with 29 votes. And Dark Dimentio is eliminated with 49 votes, a record high.
Oh what? You can't be serious. I can't be eliminated. It was Dimentio's fault.
Oh no you don't Dark Dimentio. You are going to pay for this for making Tristian the most spicy cookies.
Come with me to see the cannon of shame.
Ready to say your final words before you go?
I promise I'll be back.
Your next challenge is shot put. Whichever one of the teams throw the longest meter of number, who wins.
So, we'll start on alphabetical order, so the life wishers are first. Ready. Go.
Alright, first attempt number 1.
This is going to be easy. 3, 2, 1.
Well, I am exactly going to win. Yeah.
Time for me to do it myself. I'm an Iranian master. Yeah.
I'm the power of Shamrox. Yeah.
I can do better than Iran. 3, 2, 1, now.
Wow, I'm so athletic at throwing.
Well, at least I don't have arms. But that's okay. I can just use my wheels.
That's easy. I'll just throw like a football.
This is so legendary. I will have to throw it fast. Yeah.
The power of my chimney, here I go.
It's time to throw the ball. Yeah.
Well, it's time for me to throw clever. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. I'm so excited when that's my turn.
I'll do the same like Rosie did last time.
That was easy. I will throw extreme awesome. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm so gonna be excited for this ball throw.
Wow. It's my turn now. Yeah.
Nobody can do better than me. Yeah.
I can do the no-look mode before I throw.
I'm like shot put. I'm doing better than my biggest rival. Gary? Yeah.
It's time for me to throw. Yeah.
Wow, Serbia's gonna be so excited when he sees this.
Looks like South Korea's going to be so surprised when she sees this. Aim, fire.
I'm going to be a great shot put thrower ever.
The power of spaghetti, here I go.
I'm always the stars for Mr. The Show. Fire.
I'm great with shot put. Let's do it.